If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for supporting me. I really, really appreciate you. Like, for real, you don't even know. I appreciate you so much. So, let's go ahead and get into this dance, baby. So this one is real simple. It's not like too technical. It's just remember the rhythm of it and you got it. So, first 8 count. You're going to step up like this. So, 1. Make sure you pop both legs. They're both up on your tippy toes. So, 1, 2. And then you're going to ball change to the back. So, this is part of array. So, step. So, let's try that. So, 1, 2, part of array, step. So, let's go right, left, step. So, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, right, left, step. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So this way it'll be 1, 2, left, right, step. So you do that 2 times, and then I think it's 2 or 3. Let me make sure it's 2 before I say 2. Yeah, it's 2 times. And after you do that, it's 3 pot of arrays to the back. So I'm going to show you what I just said. So you're going to step back with the right foot, out with the left foot, back on your right. Then you're going to step back on the left foot, out on the right foot, on the left, and then go to the side again. And you're going to just step back with the right leg, ball change, and stop here. Right here. So 2 of the pot of array, pot of array, and then 3 pot of arrays to that. So I'm going to put that together so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So real slow. Pop, pop. Pot of array, pop, pop, pot of array, pot of array, pot of array, pot of array. Hold right here. And the music you're gonna hear it hold and like stop a little bit. And then it's gonna say something. I'm gonna play it so y'all can understand what I'm talking about. So you're gonna hold here and you're gonna roll up. I roll up like this. Let's make it more dramatic. So you're right here, left leg forward, right leg back. And you're gonna roll up and then pop. So let's try the end piece, just the 3 pot of arrays, hit, and pop. So let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pot of array, pot of array, pot of array. Hold, pop. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna put it all together. It's like 4 counts, but it's really easy. It's just not even 4 counts, just you whining. So like I said, this is like a quick, easy tutorial. So, yeah, let's get to it. I'm putting music so y'all can see how it goes with the music now. All right, let's see. It's a pause before it actually starts. Right now. Pot of array, pot of array, pot of array, pot of array, hold. And that's it. Simple and easy. So let's run that back 2 more times. Make sure you got everything. I'm going to walk through it 1 more time, and then I'm going to run it again with you guys. So let's get it done. It's just a mark, you guys. We're just marking it. Pot of array, step, side, pot of array, pot of array, pot of array, hold. All right. Now, next one, we're going to full out. Let's get it. Full out, y'all. You got this. Let's go. Full out. Come on now. Period. Period. And what did you do? You did that. Period. You did that. Like I said, guys, this was like a quick, easy 1, 2, 3 tutorial, especially with me, because I'm not going to take 7 minutes to tell you to, like, no, you don't take that long. Get through it, talk through it, and tell y'all what to do. Simple. This is the easiest, fastest tutorial, and you still look good. So, ciao. Do not do that in a row. I'm tired on the way. Anyways, yeah, y'all, you got it. Post your videos, tag me, DM me, all that, because, you know, I want to see the juice. I want to see how good you go full out, period. Hoo-cha. So with that being said, Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. And until next time, bye.